This evening, am going to share something with you which I believe is the most powerful piece of information that I've ever been able to give from the stage. And all of it didn't come together till about maybe 2 weeks ago. I was working on taking all the stuff that helped me to be a guy who was making $8,000 a year to a guy who makes about $4,500 a day. And, you know, people today don't have cassette players. They don't have CD players. Everybody has, I left mine backstage, but everybody's got a communicator. That's what they called it on Star Trek. Everybody's got yourself, beam me up, Scotty. There isn't a bit of piece of information you can't get by going to your phone and Google it. So when I was transferring this information over and turning it into a digital format to give the people in our organization and you, anyone who wants access to it, the stuff that helped me to get to where I could change the way I thought and reacted to situations. As Joe said, we all face crap. It's how you respond to it. So I don't know, that's what I'm saying, I know we're a company of destiny, I believe we've truly been blessed in many ways. And the first tape I happened to pick up was one that really helped me to put this together for you tonight. And it identified the largest mistake that I've made, because I've made many mistakes, but this is the worst mistake that I've ever made in my 35 years of being here. And tonight I'm going to talk to you about the trip of a lifetime. Your life or this journey that we're in. So let's go. Here's this guy, this is me. I started business in 1981. Right, I did, 1981. Young, good looking, debonair. I was excited about life before Primerica came, but when I saw the opportunity, I got extremely excited about the opportunity. 23 years old, I was making $8,000 a year. The reason I was making $8,000 a year, because I was worth $8,000 a year. The world responds to you in compensation based on the value you bring to the world. Many of you want to change the universe to respond to you. The universe responds to no one. So you want to learn how to adapt to the rules of the universe if you want the universe to pay you. I was a United States Marine, worked hard. I did, I worked extremely hard, still work today. And the problem was, I was excited about making $250 a sale. Making $250 a sale, you got to understand, 1981, minimum wage was $3, $4, $5. Right, I was making $8,000 a year. And somehow, we got in this service industry, and we can go sit down with somebody, give a decent presentation, and an hour later you filled out this paperwork, which wasn't complicated, last name, and it had a space on it that said last name. You didn't have to try to remember it. First name, and we collected a check, sent it to the company, and a week or 2 weeks later, they sent back a check for $250. Now, y'all don't remember making $3, $4 an hour. After the first time I did it, I was hooked. I chased $250 a sale. This guy here, why this tape was so powerful, first tape I did, I was listening to it, I was doing it, Joe Enser. Joe Enser started in business in November of 1981, just like I did. He was good looking, excited. He worked hard. He worked at a pizza place. I don't know if he's the manager or owner, I don't know. I don't know what he made, but he worked hard here. But Joe's excited about making $25. I was excited about $250. My primary code today pays $1 million. Joe's pays $2.5 million. And he's been dead 15 years. He ain't been here. He hadn't been contributing. This is now the Keith Auto Code. Joe's the master builder. No discount to Keith, but Joe set the stage. What's the difference? That's me chasing a sale, running, chasing another sale. Joe built distribution. He built distribution from the beginning. I chased the transaction. Joe chased the distributors. In the beginning, I made more money than Joe. He quickly passed me, and as from the number I've shown you, he's kicked my ass on income. Now, I'm not upset about only making $1 million. I mean, I'm not gonna go to my bed tonight and cry on my pillow that I only make $1 million. I'm not gonna punish myself like that. But what a difference that makes. What a mistake I made. A $1.5 million mistake per year. In the beginning, I thought that no one could write a sale without me. I was on every appointment. I'll go with you, I'll go with you, I'll go with you. Because why? Hell, I was good at this. Nobody's better than me at the kitchen table. I call myself a check master. I was a master closer. So what happened? However, I am restricted by time. We have no time restrictions.